Hey YouTube, it's Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on our Chevy Cruze, and our instrument cluster or dashboard says service power steering. We're also having starting troubles with our engine. In this video I want to show you the 3 most common causes that lead to this. Let's go out to the vehicle and take a look.
Alright YouTubers, outside of the Chevy Cruze now, and again in the center portion of our instrument cluster or dash, it says service power steering, and we are having battery issues. Sometimes we'll come out here and the car will not start because there's no battery power. So let's hop in the vehicle, pop the hood latch, and open the hood. Hood is up and secured, and we have the battery, we have the battery cables, and the first thing I want to talk about, common cause number 1, is actual corrosion on your battery leads. Verify you have no corrosion. If you do, take a few minutes and clean all of that corrosion off of your power leads and your actual cables. And AutoZone has a very specific and special tool for this for your convenience. So with that said, as you can see, we don't have any corrosion, so that eliminates option number 1, or most common cause number 1. Common cause number 2 is this battery cable here actually begins to short out at the connection points where it's crimped in this actual piece here. And you will follow that all the way down and make sure the lower portion is secured as well. And as you can see, it goes down through this little hole, loops up and around, and secures itself here. That is not moving, that is firm and secure, so that is also not causing our issues. So again, that's common cause number 2. Common cause number 3 is your battery. Believe it or not, a bad battery not charging will lead to that power steering illumination on your actual dashboard or instrument cluster. So in the event that you are experiencing low battery voltage or trouble starting the car in the morning, afternoon, or evening, and at the same time that service power steering is illuminating on your dashboard, time to replace this battery. So that's common cause number 3. So again, those are the 3 most common causes why you get that service power steering on your dashboard and having issues starting your engine with a dead battery. So hopefully this video helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers.